So here is my Insta account. So you can click that follow button. You can contact me at any time for any kind of technological queries. I'm ready to help you. On the other end, for web designing or any other courses or internships, if you want to contact us, yes, I'm ready to help you. Here is the contact number to contact us. Web design series HTML 24th video. It's on attributes in HTML. What is attributes? The properties for every tag. See, I got a browse button. On browsing it, what are the type of images can be acceptable? Type of file types can be acceptable. I can specify. So I want to select multiple items, sir. You can give it as an attribute. So I got a paragraph tag. For that I need an align to align the text in the left and right or something like that. I got a paragraph. I need to give a style for that one by giving a fore color, a back color, or it can be colors, font size and everything. So providing some properties for a tag, for an element in an HTML, that is called as attributes in HTML. Let's move on to the topics learning link. This link is available in the description and in the first comment. Over here, you are able to see it here. This is my link. And here is the HTML attributes. You are able to see it here. So HTML attributes. So these are the attributes. It's a very big thing. We got a lot of attributes available. I'll take some of the attributes and I'll teach you how it works. So BG color, column span maybe. I got my form attribute. I got my list attributes. I got my loop attribute. I got my href attribute. I got my hidden attributes. So these are up to this one I'm going to talk about. So these are some of the attributes or properties which will be defined for a tag. Okay. Now over here, the accept attribute in HTML. Over here, this one, the input, there is a text box. There is a text box and it will accept only the image files. Okay, I don't want anything, man. In the case, I can specify the input. Name is equal to image, type equal to file, and accept is image/star. Only images. Okay, and we are able to control I want a video or audio or which kind of things you want. You can specify it. So this is your accept attribute. Alternative attribute. I got an image. The source is here. If the image is not there, provide the alternative tag. For the image attribute, alternative tag is very, very important. Over here, you are able to see it here. Yeah, this is the one. And the next one is we are going to talk about the align attribute. Align attribute in the sense I want to align the data. I got the paragraph. Over here, I got the paragraph. Align equal to right. So align equal to left. Align equal to center. So the tag is there. Along with that, if you give an attribute that is called as you got your attributes. That is called as BG color, the background color. So you are able to give the background colors here. If you want a background color, BG color sky blue. Oh, it's sky blue, man. Okay, and you got the call span. I can include the rest in the next column also, call span. Merging it, making it as a big column. Okay, that is called as call span. You are able to see it here. So this is your call span. Two columns are there. Make it as a single column. Call span is equal to 2. That is called call span. And over here you got the form attribute. Form attribute is nothing but the form. The form will have a lot of attributes. The form will have the action, the ID and everything. The form attribute. Okay. And you got your list attribute, listing the data. You are able to list the data. So input list equal to tutorials. I'm creating a data list with the option values here. So this is your list attribute. And you got a loop attribute. So looping the data. So you are able to see controls and loop indicates you'll be having the automatic play button. You are able to, it will start looping. So once the video is ended, once again it will start from the first. Ended, it will start from the best. Automatically it will then. So for that we need to provide this loop. And the next one is href, hyperreference anchor tag. So while giving this anchor tag, we'll be having the hyperreference tags. And over here you got the hidden attribute. I can hide the content or controls. I can hide the controls. The hidden, if it is given hidden, that is hidden. If it is not given, you are able to see the content. So hidden attributes. So there are lots of attributes available. So please check it out and take an idea like how it works. And in my next video, I'm going to talk about the actions on the attributes.